In this exercise, you're going to create the 8 different types of circles. If you find circle down here, you can hit the down arrow and you'll see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different types of circles. You'll create a circle. This one will be called circle and it'll just look like a circle. I don't really care what size and shape you go, well, what size you go with, but I want to see a circle using this command. A circle using 3 different points, and a circle using coordinates. I want you to try out each of the 8 different types. Now, how to find steps on how to create them are all in an online document. This is a document for creating circles, as you can see here in the top left corner. This here is for creating arcs. And this document here is creating arcs. I just actually hit that twice. This is creating ellipses. And this one's creating 3 points. Where did I find all these directions? One of the reasons why I'm not a big proponent on buying books is because you should be able to find the latest and greatest information online now without having to purchase a book. How I do that is I simply find the one I want to try. So for example, we'll highlight circle. And whoops, I deactivated. I'm going to highlight circle and I'm going to hit F1. And it will just come up with directions on how to do that. And that's because I set my preferences to find this. So as long as you set your legacy preferences correctly, you can go into your CATiA screen, pick a type of circle, a 3-point type circle for this example, hit F1, and bam, it just shows you how to create creating 3-point circles, and it gives you steps on how to do that. Okay, again, I'm going to hit Alt-Tab and switch over to this one here and hit F1, and it'll show me how to create circles using coordinates. What I want you to do is open a Word doc. So you'll create another Word doc and you'll call it creating geometrical shape circles will be the name of the Word doc. Okay, and you will make a picture of this. So what I want you to do is insert screenshot and do a screen clip like this, so I know you found the directions. Okay, and then hit the arrow and hit return. Make a screenshot of the circle you actually made with the appropriate name. Again, from the previous exercises we learned, we can go to properties, and change this to be called circle. It should be all in caps. So show me the specification tree. Open the part body so you can see the sketch. It's in sketch 1. If it's sketch 2 or 3, that just means you took 2 or 3 tries to do it. Again, you'll make a simple snapshot of it by going to insert, screenshot, and do a clip screen so I can see that much of it in your tree. That'll be fine. I got a nice zoomed up picture of that. Alright, so you got 8 circles and arcs to create. Again, you create the next one here. Let's say I do an arc. Okay, I'm going to hit F1. You're going to make a snapshot of the arc in the directions it tells you. I hit the arc command. Then you're going to select a coordinate. Okay, so I select a coordinate, and then I come over and I start here. The first coordinate was the center. The second corner was the start. And usually you want to do it counterclockwise. And to click a position, that's your third point to generate an arc. Okay, we go counterclockwise because this being a full circle, the protractor, this is 0 degrees, 90, 180, 270, and 360. So again, here on a full circle, when you look at the grid, this is quadrant number 1. Quadrant number 1 is starting at this point right here, rotating up here to this point, to this point, to this point, to this point. On your protractor, it's 0 to 90 degrees in quadrant 1, 90 to 180 in quadrant 2. Quadrant 3 has 180 to 270, and the finishing quadrant number 4 goes to 360. All right, that's what I'm expecting to see. Your 8 different circles with your 2 shots in the part, and then also in the sketch workbench, and also the picture where you got the directions in the online directions. Okay.